Imagine money that exists only online and is not controlled by any government or bank. This short video will explain those ideas in clear, simple language. We'll cover a straightforward definition, the digital and decentralized nature of cryptocurrency, two popular examples, and the main reasons people use it around the world. No prior experience required. The explanations use simple animated icons and clear comparisons so anyone can follow along and feel confident with the basics. We'll keep terms short on screen, use smooth transitions, and emphasize accessibility for beginners so you can pause, rewind, and learn at your own pace. Ready to dive in? Let's start with a clear definition of cryptocurrency you can remember after this video. Here's the simple definition first, then we'll unpack how it actually works and give everyday examples you might have heard about. Cryptocurrency is digital money built with cryptography. It's created, stored, and transferred as data on computer networks rather than as physical bills or coins. Unlike bank accounts, cryptocurrencies operate on networks where records are shared across many computers instead of being stored by a single institution. Transactions move value between digital addresses. Each transfer is verified by the network and added to a public record, making transactions transparent and traceable. Security comes from cryptography, mathematical techniques that protect ownership and prevent tampering. That's where the crypto in crypto comes from. Because these systems rely on code and networks, they can work 24/7, cross borders instantly, and enable new ways to move value online. In short, crypto is digital, secured by cryptography, and designed to be transferred across networks without relying on a single central authority. A key building block is the blockchain, a type of distributed ledger that records transactions in sequential blocks linked together. Each block contains many transactions. Once added, a block is difficult to change because later blocks reference its cryptographic fingerprint. Decentralization means many independent computers verify transactions. That redundancy reduces single points of failure and centralized control. Networks use consensus rules to agree which transactions are valid. Popular methods include proof of work and proof of stake, each with trade-offs. Ownership is controlled by cryptographic keys. A private key signs transactions. A public key or address receives funds. Protecting keys is essential. Though the technology sounds complex, many user interfaces hide these details so people can send, receive, and manage crypto like other apps. Bitcoin launched in 2009 as the first cryptocurrency. It introduced the core idea of a decentralized digital currency secured by a blockchain. Many people call Bitcoin digital gold because it's widely used as a store of value, though its price can be volatile. Ethereum arrived later and expanded the idea by enabling programmable contracts, or smart contracts, that run code on the blockchain. Smart contracts let developers build decentralized apps for finance, games, and more, often without a single controlling company. Beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies designed for specific purposes like payments, privacy, or faster transactions. Understanding a coin's purpose and technology helps you decide whether it fits your goals for payments, applications, or investment. People use crypto for several reasons: faster global payments, lower intermediaries, and new financial access for underserved communities. Some use crypto as an investment or store of value, hoping for long-term appreciation, though returns are uncertain and risks are high. Others value decentralization and self-custody, preferring to control their own keys and avoid relying on third-party institutions. There are real risks: price volatility, hacks, scams, and the responsibility to secure private keys. Educate yourself and use trusted services. To get started safely, learn the basics, try small amounts, verify platforms, enable security features like two-factor authentication and hardware wallets. Cryptocurrency offers new possibilities, but also responsibilities. Start slow, stay curious, and explore reliable resources to learn more today.